Do you know the basics of financial literacy? Perhaps you've heard of terms like budgeting, savings, investing, and credit, but what do they really mean? And why do they matter? Today, we're going to delve into these essential financial concepts and break them down in a way that's easy to understand. Think of financial literacy as the language of money. Like any language, it has its own vocabulary and grammar rules that, once mastered, can open up a world of opportunities. First up, we have budgeting. Imagine you're a captain of a ship. Your money is the ship's cargo, and you need to decide where to allocate it to ensure smooth sailing. That's budgeting. It's about making a plan for your money, deciding where each dollar should go, and sticking to that plan. Now let's talk about savings. Remember when you were a kid and you saved up your pocket money to buy that toy you really wanted? That's the essence of savings. It's setting aside a portion of your income for future use. It's about delayed gratification, prioritizing long-term rewards over short-term desires. Next on the list is investing. If savings is about setting aside money for the future, investing is about making that money work for you. It's like planting a seed and nurturing it over time to grow into a tree. The seed is your initial investment, and the tree symbolizes the returns you earn over time. Finally, we come to credit. Credit is essentially borrowed money that you promise to repay, usually with interest. It's like having a powerful tool in your toolbox. Used wisely, it can help you achieve your financial goals. But if misused, it can lead to debt and financial stress. So, to summarize, financial literacy is about understanding how money works. It's about mastering the art of budgeting, the discipline of savings, the science of investing, and the careful use of credit. By understanding these concepts, you're not just learning about money. You're learning about life. You're learning how to make informed decisions, how to plan for the future, and how to navigate the ups and downs of the financial world. So remember, financial literacy isn't just for bankers and accountants, it's for everyone. Because at the end of the day, money is a tool, and like any tool, it's most effective when used wisely and with skill.